Everybody, and welcome to today's video. I'm in the Focus of Death, and I've just had a new gear knob fitted. You can have a look at it there. Look. From MTech Engineering, absolutely superb quality. Just show you. I'll just crack the car up. Just back it out the garage. Pretty cool. Excellent quality. If you're thinking of buying one, I highly recommend them. 2 minutes to fit it. Straight on with the old one. Straight off with the old one, sorry, straight on with the new one. No messing. The quality is absolutely superb. That's it, there we go. Straight on there. Fits like a glove. Skirt goes straight back in. I'd highly recommend that. MTech Engineering. I found them on eBay. Good company. They do all different models for gearing up for all different cars. Really pleased with that. Looks fantastic. And while we're on the subject, so you can see I've got the crucifix in. I've had to put that in the car for a couple of reasons, to be fair. Number one, the coronavirus, obviously. People are dropping like flies. I've got that to hopefully protect me. Plus two, I think the car's possessed. I had a word with the local vicar, and he also recommended a crucifix in the car. The car has tried to kill me on a number of occasions, especially on high-speed bends. Actually doing 125 doesn't really help, but I feel a lot safer with the crucifix in the car. The vicar, told me to say the Lord's Prayer every time I set off on a journey in the car, just in case as well. Keep the evil spirits at bay. But anyway, going back to the gear knob. There we go. I'm very happy with that. See, quality is really good. It feels great as well. Okay, that's it for today. The new gear knob in the ST of Death. Goodbye and stay safe.